Yes, snake it. Please don't fall. Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Dell Does It All. So I'm doing a little landscaping project this morning. I've got some big boulders and I want to try to get the boulders and put them in place around the pool. So I'm gonna show you guys where I'm trying to put them. So this past year, we had this pavilion built and I recently took down our fence and I just want to put some big boulders around this area to kind of just make this area blend in a little more naturally to the surrounding kind of landscape. So I want to plant some more perennial type flowers and stuff like that, but I thought those big boulders would give it some accents. Let's go get some of these boulders and see what we got around the farm. All right, so I got some straps, got the tractor. So it's not a huge boulder, but it's definitely bigger than I'd be able to carry. So I've got the big strap going from these two forks, looped around the side, back side to the front. And I used this strap to kind of link them all together, then hooked it to this fork. As it raised, it should start tightening around that rock. All right, well, looks like it worked. Let's just hope it stays in there. Sounds sketchy. Please don't fall, please don't fall, please don't fall, please don't fall. All right, so I'm happy with that. It looks pretty good. Just want to create some sort of barrier around this kind of mulch bed. That's pretty close to what I was looking for, so I'm gonna go ahead and stick it there. All right, so that went well. Now we need about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This one is huge. I don't know if we'll be able to get this one. I cannot believe we got this rock, dude. That is insane. That thing's gotta weigh several hundred pounds, 1,000 pounds, I don't know. First try. Let's just get it there before the freaking strap breaks. All right, so I shifted that one over just a little bit, and I put that one in position so that way the long side is kind of matching this curve. So now I just need to get a couple more evenly distanced, maybe 1, 2, 3, 4, potentially 5, but definitely 4. I'm pretty excited. I think it's gonna look really good when it's done. All right, so as you can see, there's plenty of boulders for me to choose from in this creek bed here. I've got a big one I think I'm gonna go for. Hopefully we can get that strapped in and I can lift it, but she's a big one. This is gonna need a little bit different rigging. It's way too heavy to use that same type of rigging. All right, so got that rigged up, kind of a basket like we did earlier. Going on one side, going on the other side. This two linking them together, but still all the weight should be supported from here. Yeah, I'm pretty proud of that. Yeah. So I really wanted that rock a certain way. There was no way really for me to flip it easily. So I was able to get the strap in order to flip it. So now I can position it exactly like I want. Perfect. Perfect. Now I'll put a smaller one kind of right here. I don't think it's possible to get this bad boy. This thing is huge. There's no way. Huge outcropping. I bet it's a snake under there. Yeah, snakey, snakey. You got any snakes? Check this rock out. It's like smooth surface.
Could this rock be from a lost civilization 12,700 years ago that occurred during the Younger Dryas period? Could it be an ancient civilization lost to humanity?
Maybe one right there. All right, well, I guess we risked our lives on the troll bridge for no reason. Looks like a good one. I just need to make sure I don't get my butt bit while I'm trying to hook up to it. That might be a little difficult. Let's give this thing the old 1-2 push. Make sure there's no copperheads or anything underneath it. It's a big one. This one didn't want to cooperate, so I ended up just picking it up with a fork. Not 100% sure how I'm going to accomplish this, but I want this big rock to go in this big open area right here. But that means I got to get it somehow over this sidewalk, without cracking it, without ruining it. It's going to be a challenge. I've got probably 3 foot of span. I can drive forks another 4 foot, which would place the tire here. 4 foot, 1, 2, 3, 4, then 1, 2, 3. It should be perfect. Oh, I really hope I don't mess something up. God, please. Pray for me, y'all. Pray for me. All right, let's see. Let's see if I can get it done. Well, I can't say I intended for that to happen, but I think I got a solution for how to get it in place. I'll take it. Well, I finally got it where I want it, but didn't come without a little bit of a cost. That's the weed fabric. I just put it down probably a couple weeks ago, or last weekend. It is what it is. But I got it. I'm pretty, and I like it. Kind of rutted up my newly graded swell I put in, but that's the cost of being impromptu. I just gotta make sure I backfill this or it's gonna turn into a muddy mosquito pit. Looks like we need just one more. See if we can find one more. Thought I'd stop and show you guys this giant white or pin oak that I just drove past. It's huge. Wanted to show you guys so you could appreciate it as well. Well, I finally got it all done. And now, show you guys what it looks like. So I hope you guys like it. If you want to continue to follow the progress on just some upgrades and stuff like that I'm doing to the backyard, hit the subscribe button. But thanks for watching. Dale does it all. See you guys next time.